Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key. Once you see the boot options right at the top, you want to hold power off. This will in turn bring the little window right here, reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. And you can see there's a safe mode marking, just to let you know that you are in safe mode, because in this mode only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything else that you will install yourself will be completely terminated and will not be able to start. And once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, you can simply hold the power key. Oops, let's try that again. So hold power key and then select restart, which will take you back to normal mode. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.